In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix Google Drive sharing link not working. How do I fix sharing link error? Our full 2025 guide. If people click your Google Drive link and see an error or a request for access, it usually comes down to the file's sharing settings or a browser issue. Let's fix both step by step. First, open Google Drive Home in your browser. I recommend doing this on a desktop for full controls. Make sure you're signed in to the correct Google account, especially if you use more than one. A mismatched account is a common reason links appear broken. Next, find and click the file you're trying to share. This can be a document, a video, an image, or even a folder. If you're sharing a shortcut, remember the original file's permissions still apply, so it's best to adjust permissions on the original file itself. Also confirm the file isn't in trash, because trashed items can't be opened by others. Now, click Share. In the sharing window, look for the General Access section. If it says Restricted, only specific people can open the link. Change this to Anyone with the link. Then pick the role you want to grant. Viewer is safest for most cases, commenter allows feedback, and editor gives full editing rights. Setting the correct access here ensures the link will open for anyone you send it to without extra requests. If you're using a work or school account and see organizational limits, choose the option that allows anyone with the link if available, or check that your intended audience is permitted by your organization's policy. Once the access is set, click Copy Link. That copies the new working link to your clipboard. Paste it into your email, chat, or post. If you previously shared a link before changing permissions, make sure you share this updated one instead. If you still encounter errors after fixing sharing, the issue may be your browser cache or cookies. Open your browser settings and go to Privacy and Security. Choose Clear Browsing Data. Select cookies and other site data and cached images and files. For the time range, all time is the most thorough. Be aware that clearing cookies may sign you out of sites, so have your logins ready. Confirm the clear, then revisit your Google Drive link and test again. Clearing stale data often resolves permission loops or outdated redirects that cause link errors. And that's it. Adjust the file's access to anyone with the link, copy the updated link, and if problems persist, clear your browser's cookies and cache. Your sharing link should now work smoothly.